things in your life. Your family, spending time with your family, no matter how old you are. Your own health, longevity, being outdoors, fresh air, feeling good. What about your friends? Spending time with your friends and their solid relationships, meeting new people, socializing, building teams, co-workers, client relationships, which also would enhance your bottom line, and wealth is always a piece of our important areas of life as well. So what if I was to tell you there's one thing I could add in your world that would make all those things better? Let me show you how. Come join us at the TechBeat conference, August 21st. For more information, www.techbeatconference.com.